Good afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for August 16th with your currency outlook for the day. First, we'll take a look back at last Friday's retail sales number. We did see a reading of 0.0. The market was looking for 0.4. PPI came in negative 0.4%, and this morning's CPI's reading came in at 0.0. So very sluggish on the inflation front, and there's still a lot of soft spots, obviously, in the economy. We did hear from some of the Fed members this morning. First, we heard from San Francisco Fed Williams, who took a more dovish approach to the interest rate cycle, and then Dudley, just hours later, pivoted hawkish. So we've had a lot of volatility today, especially in equities and on the currency front. Looking at the U.S. dollar, we did see a big washout in the U.S. dollar. We traded as low as 94.38 in the early on this morning. We are currently trading about 94.78, so we're still well off the lows, but still down about 83 points on the day. I do have that trade immediate term oversold within a longer term bearish trend. So if we retest that low, perhaps over the next couple of days, that 94.38 area might not be a bad idea to look at becoming bullish towards the U.S. dollar. Inversely, we'll look at the euro. Euro's up 100 points right now, 112.93. We got as high as 113.37 overnight. Inversely to the dollar, I do have that overbought within a longer-term bearish trend on the euro currency. Looking at the euro, I'm not a big fan of the euro currency, especially at these lofty levels. We might be able to grind to 114 perhaps, but if you look across the eurozone, if you look at the GDPs over there, first of all, the eurozone reported 0.3%. That's a decline from Q1 GDP reading of 0.6%. So we're seeing the Eurozone slow. If you look at individually, France, 0.0. These are preliminary readings on Q2 GDP as well. 0.0 in France, slowing from 0.7 in Q1. Germany, 0.4, slowing from 0.7. In Italy, another goose egg, 0.0, slowing from 0.3. So I'm not a big fan of the euro. I still believe that Draghi and the ECB, they're going to continue to provide stimulus over there, which is going to continue to devalue the euro currency from a longer term perspective. So just keep that in mind. Last, I'll hit on the gold markets. Obviously, gold, not technically a currency, but I do believe gold is currently trading very much like a currency at the moment. Right now, we're trading at $13.52 an ounce. I'm not a fan of buying right now in the middle of the range. I would look at becoming bullish towards the bottom end of the range, right around 13.30, or on some momentum if we can climb above 13.75. It looks like that market's going to break out. So, again, gold, that could be the final frontier after this central banking experiment is finally over with. It's still a race to the bottom with these global currencies. Every central bank is out there trying to devalue their currency. So gold, that's one of the major reasons why I like it. So keep that in mind. That's all I have for you this morning. Feel free to give me a call at the trade desk. My number should be on the screen. We'll touch base next time.